The Yealink T42S offers three different types of transfer: blind transfer, semi-attended transfer, and attended transfer. Now let's look at blind transfer. Blind transfer allows you to transfer the call to another person directly. While talking, press the transfer button. Dial the target number that you want to transfer the call to. Press B transfer to complete the transfer, and the call will be connected to the number that you dialed. To facilitate the semi-attended transfer, you can transfer a call when the target phone is ringing. While talking, press transfer. Then dial the target number that you would like to transfer to. Press the send button or OK button. After hearing the ringback tone, press transfer soft key to complete. Attended transfer allows you to do prior consulting before transferring the call. To facilitate attended transfer, simply press transfer while on a call. Type the number that you would like to transfer to, press send or OK, and wait for the other user to pick up. When you are ready to transfer the call, press the transfer soft key to complete.